culture of ethics in your current organization or industry? Are there clear policies and support for ethical behavior?
Mm, of course, TMB is an engineering company. It's a big company. We are governed by regulators. We are owned by the public through our shareholders. I think a sense of cultural came from bottom down, from the top management themselves, where they provided us with trainings, with a maybe whistleblowers policy, adequate training as well, and also a dedicated environment safety and health unit where they can monitor us in terms of safety and operating it safely for the benefit of the publics. There's a strong influence from Board of Engineers and Suruhanjaya Tenaga as well. So these two body are governing engineers and governing the power utility industries. So, however, I think that there's more to be done to embed ethics itself into our daily decision making process. We are trying. It's such a big company. At the moment, we do have our own sustainable procurement code of conducts. Uh, so yeah, we're getting there. It's just that we do have a set of instruction and process. 100% going, I'm not sure, but we at least have the policies in place. You know.
Okay, so my next question is how familiar are you with the Board of Engineers Malaysia Code of Conduct, and can you give an example of how it has guided your professional actions?
Yeah. Code of conduct. I'm an professional engineer with IR title as well. So of course, I'm very familiar with the BM Code of Conduct. Uh, Furthermore, it is one of the big criteria to be even passed as a professional engineer and carry that title. So of course, I'm familiar. Maybe example is that uh, during one of my projects in Kuala Lumpur, that was during the time where there's a viral video of Mid Valley Mega Mall transformers burning right
Mm.
through the federal highway. So we, as a maintenance engineer at the time, we are dealing with the contractors to replace and clean the area, right? Um, and maybe during that time we have a lot of environmental issues because transformers containing oil, right? So there's dispute between what the what the law needs in terms of environment versus what the contractor's point of view on the work quality, right? So immediately at the time, I was also the one that issuing permit, issuing the start work order to the contractors. I said like, uh, let's stop the work, let's discuss over these disputes first, rather than doing not a good quality of work, right? We stop, take some time, uh, discuss the applications of uh, Akta Alam Sekitar, the Environment Quality Acts with our contractors and ensure the good work quality and also complying to the Malaysian standards and also public safety. Because Mid Valley area is a high dense area, right? So if we have an environmental impact, it affects a lot more rather than just a big, just a small piece of land.
Okay, thank you, sir. So next question will be asked by my friend.
So, sir, I'm Muhammad Nukman. I will be continue asking you a question. So, for my part, I will asking you about balancing competing ethical obligation. So, when a professional duties conflict with organization goals, how do you prioritize your responsible as an engineer?
Right, like I said, Tenaga is a public company. We are owned by the public. We have our own shareholders. Maybe some shareholders have a big chunk like Khazanah, right? They have maybe like 30% of Tenaga, but the rest of it, still the majority is the rakyat. So
Okay.
of course, it's always default that whatever balancing needs in terms of optical obligation, the public safety is number one. Even within my organization and from coming from the top management, there's a series of safety considerations and safety processes that we do to cater the safety of the public. As an engineer, I think it's our role to we are obligated actually to prioritize the human life, um, and look at environment impact over money or over timelines of the work that we are doing, right? Uh, Engineering justification is always the way to go. Maybe include some risk assessment of the activities that we are doing, uh, and of course the management will take into account, and the safety is going to be the highest priority above all, right?
Okay. So thank you. For my next question is about ethic training and professional development. Have you participated in any training program? And how have you this program influenced you approach ethical decision making a decision in engineering?
Being an engineer, of course we have a lot of competencies in terms of what we are doing in everyday work. But the management training, the integrity, the ethics training is also a part of our syllabus that we need to complete every 6 months or a year. This sort of understanding, this sort of learning, sort of self-learning, self-initiated learning actually enhance my understanding of the ethical reasoning and getting the ethical framework to address the gray area within my scope of work. It helped me make a balanced decision that first technically sound and also ethically justified. Uh, I'm proud to be a part of Tenaga that has been a forefront in putting ethics and safety above whatever mission that we are doing at the moment.
Okay, that's all.
Okay. Again, thank you, sir, for having us today. This interview helps us a lot to understand the experience of an engineer in their career on applying this ethics. So, we often hear this term in classes, but not in real life. We never experience it. So, this will help us a lot. And again, thank you very much for your time. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
for
Anik.
let
Thank
us
you, Aidam.
interview.
Thank you, Lukman. Thank you, Nabil.
Thank you,
I
sir.
hope to see you guys back.
Also,
Okay, terima
Alright.
kasih
thank you
banyak,
very
cik.
much, sir, for your let us interview you.
Bye.